you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to make mandala art like this using Adobe Photoshop. Let's see how to do it. First, choose a dark color to background. To add this color to background page, click Ctrl and Backspace in your keyboard. Then add new layer. Then select brush tool. There you can see an icon like butterfly. Click it. Then click mandala. Now you can see a window as mandala symmetry. Then adjust segment count. I select 10. Then click OK. Then change your brush size and hardness as you like. Then select hard ground brush. Now start to draw your mandala art. We will meet future with another video. If you like this video, please comment me. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.